So viewers, now I'm gonna share with you my whole idea and explanation. You were already watching the whole video and the assemble concept note and the whole work process and how I united everybody with my artwork, and there also I try to share interaction with some of my juniors and other teachers and students in my university. So basically assemble means connected with everyone, where everyone is equal, no difference or discrimination between each other or among us. So their artwork have three parts or point of view. Basically this is sound installation and some board installation and others. QR code I try to use in my artwork. So now I will explain with you in this 3 point of views. So when you watch my artwork at first glimpse, you will see so many boards. I mean that I used almost 850 boards in my installation artworks. They are connected with each other and try to connect in one point of view, and in that point of view a clear burning sound came over there. So when you try to heard this sound, you will find out the burning sound is fire. I mean that when fire burning something, then this sound produced. So little bit when you close to the mirror, you will see a QR code. So here first point of view is gone, and second I also explain with you guys, and third point of view is the QR code. The QR code is the outcome of this installation artwork. So most of the key point of the artwork is our economy of Bangladesh and so many social problem and corruption and overall every single things that create great hamper in our economy. So in this QR code, when you will scan anything from your smartphone, if you have any QR code scanning option in your smartphone, then you will properly scan this QR code, you will find the basic result. I mean I will show you guys in the end of the video how you will scan this QR code, and this QR code explain the whole problem solution. So basically burning means the common people in our country and poor people, and there have so many discrimination in our country and so many different type of points of view in country, because our people are not that much educated and they're so much innocent and illiterate. So this time in this 21st century we need to assemble. So this is the second version of my installation art about assemble, where I try to connect with everyone and every single people in our country. Almost 18 million people lives in Bangladesh. So it is quite tough to deal with everyone. So this is the example for every person or any single person who will show this artwork in internet or YouTube, and he will easily understand how we will deal with our economy in 21st century and how we will rescue ourselves, because we need to be united, because without united nothing will happen, nothing will change in this inflation, economic crisis, social crisis, world politics, geopolitics, and every single thing is connected with each other. So we need to connect immediately, and this is very much important task to inside our border and outside our borders. So it is clear to say that assembly is very much necessary for us. So this is the main theme and key point of my artwork. So I wish everybody love this installation artwork. So if you have any opinion, you will say anything in comment section, and in my description box I already describe and this inch of single details of this artwork, so it is very much easy for anybody who really want to understand this type of artworks. In this 21st century, I think that crisis is very much difficult for us and every single country, those who are middle class or rich class or poor class. So in the end of the day, we need to unite ourselves. We should be assemble without any reason or any type of reason, because we are human being and we need to show humanity, and humanity is the strongest part for history or any type of situation. So please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel and share this video and share my ideas almost in every single newsfeed or timeline or people you really want to know. And this is the end of the video. Thanks everyone to stay with me and give me this time and watch my video. Thanks everyone.